ValueError I/O operation on closed file. Here, P is a dictionary, W and C both are strings. When I try to write to the file, it reports the error.
Indent correctly, your for statement should be inside the with block. Outside the with block, the file is closed.
Same error can raise by mixing tabs plus spaces.
I also have the same problem. Here is my previous code. Apparently, I should write the user's writer instead of node writer. Below is my current code and it is working.
Save data to a variable file, so you need a with.
I had this problem when I was using an undefined variable inside the with open ... as f column. I removed, or I defined outside, the undefined variable and the problem disappeared.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.